Hello everyone, it's Michelle. Today I'm going to be showing you how to roll some decorative towels, and I'm also going to show you how to display them either on a shelf or on a towel bar. So let's go ahead and jump right on into the video. And if you like home decor, decorating, or if you're just trying to turn your house into a home, go ahead and click the subscribe button so you don't miss out. Okay, so I'm starting off with these beautiful towels that I got from Home Goods. They are by Tahari and they were $9.99 each. So definitely a great deal. I love getting towels from Home Goods. So for the bath towel, you're going to start off with just a regular size bath towel and you're going to fold it in half. Try to do this as neatly as possible. Kind of line up the ends really well. That's just going to make it look neater in the very end. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fold in the end that's open. See these two pieces that are open, I'm going to fold that in first, and then the closed end I'm going to go on top. Trying to make this as even as possible, but it definitely doesn't have to be perfect. And then I'm going to flip it over, holding it together as I flip it over, and then pulling it forward. Now I'm not pulling it in half, kind of like you're going to have about 4 inches or so left at the top. And then you're just going to start rolling it really tightly. Don't let it go. And then tuck it in right there in the center. And that's really all to it. And it makes for a beautiful display, either in a basket or on a shelf or on a tub or on the sink. And I'm going to show you how to do a hand towel as well. It's a little bit different. So here's the hand towel. And I believe the hand towels were like $9.99 for 2 or something like that. So I'm going to fold it over first this way, and then long ways I'm going to pull it all the way over top, making sure it's neat. Then I'm going to flip it by holding it in place at the same time, and then I'll start rolling it. Just like with the bath towel, you want to hold on to it while you're rolling it. Don't hold it really tight so it doesn't come apart. And then once you're finished rolling it, you're going to actually tuck it in on the end. And that is all to it. It makes for a really nice, neat display for your towels. You can even do it like this for your linen closet because it takes up less space to have them rolled in this way. And the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to show you how to do a washcloth. I wasn't lucky enough to get the washcloths at Home Goods. They didn't have them, so I end up with these white ones. So first thing you're going to do is fold it over, not in half, but there's going to be a little bit left. Yeah, not in half. You're going to pull it back a little bit, maybe like an inch on each end here. Flip it over, pull in the right end, pull in the left end, and you're going to flip it over again. And then you're going to start rolling. Yeah, start rolling it up really tight again. And then you're going to tuck it right there in the center of the fold. Very easy and neat. And I'll show you what all of them look like in a minute. So here are all the towels that I have folded. I'm going to display these in my guest bathroom so that when my guests come in, I'm going to put it in a basket. When my guests come in, they will see their towels ready and waiting for them. You could even put it in the guest bedroom or guest bathroom. Either way, it will be a nice display for your guests. It will be no questions about You know, where are the towels? What towels should I use? That kind of thing. These are the washcloths. How neat they look. Let me show them to you in the basket. There you go. Now this would be nice to place on the dresser in the guest bedroom or in the bathroom if you have space. All right, let's go into the towel displays. Hello everyone, it's Michelle. I am back, guys. I'm in the middle of a kitchen renovation, but I'm also doing my spring refresh in the home. So I wanted to show you how I display these decorative towels in my bathroom. I'm going to show you two sets. So let's jump into this one. First of all, what you're going to do is just take a regular bath towel, okay, and you're going to spread it out and fold it in 3 parts. So you're going to fold it over once, then you're going to bring it back over that fold. Okay, smooth everything out, make sure the ends are even, and then just go ahead and start rolling it up tightly. And that is all for that part. Now you're going to take another bath towel, the one that you want to be on the outside, and you're going to also fold it over into 3s, okay? Okay, the important thing is just to make sure that they are evenly, when you fold them over, that they are all, the sections are even. The reason why that's important is because it will look messy if it's not. So this is the way it should look right here. Now, I take it over to my towel bar and I basically just, you know, pull it up over the bar, and I have a heavy duty large rubber band, and I got the rubber bands from the Dollar Tree. The towels are from Home Goods. Okay, so I'm going to take this big rubber band and I'm going to pull the towel up above the bar about 6 to 8 inches. You can do it as much as you want. This is what I like to do because of the space that I have below it. And I'm just going to wrap the rubber band around that area twice, just to make sure that it is secure. And this is a thick rubber band, so it's not gonna pop. That's kind of important. And then you just want to kind of fluff it a little bit. And this can be once you fluff it a little bit, you're gonna go ahead and put your roll towel on the inside. And there's several different designs you could do with this. You could actually use another smaller towel in the front, like how I have this tassel. And the tassel is from Hobby Lobby. And I'm just going to take the top of the tassel and just tuck it into the rubber band. Okay, I'm not tying anything or anything like that. I'm just tucking it in, and the rubber band holds it nicely because it's so tight. But what I was saying was you could put another towel here, you could put a ribbon there. It just depends on what you have on hand. But I really like the look of the tassel because it does match the tassels that I have on my curtains right to the right side of these towels. So this is the way it looks, and I absolutely love it, especially for, this is going to be like this for spring and summer. Now the second set is in my guest bathroom, and I'm basically doing the exact same thing. I'm going to take a bath towel and I'm going to fold it in 3rds over each other, and then once I fold it lengthwise like this, then I'm going to fold it over again. And I'm going to make sure that the ends are even. And then I'm going to fold it over again. Fold it over itself again. Okay. Now I'm going to take a hand towel and I'm going to fold it inside out. Mine has words on it. And then I'm going to pull down the top section right to that middle line, just like that. And then I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to pull back one side, the right side, then I'm going to pull the left side over on top. and then flip it over again, and that's it. This would look nice also sitting on the sink as a nice decorative towel on the sink. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and put this over the bath towel. So here I am in my guest bathroom, and first I'm going to put the bath towel on, and the open end is going to be in the back, and the folded end is going to be in the front. And I'm doing that because it gives it a more neat look in the front, and then in the back is the open end. And then I'm going to take the folded hand towel, and I'm going to put it right over it, and it stays in place quite nicely because these towels are so thick and it doesn't move. And I just love the way this looks. It coordinates with my shower curtain. It just gives the bathroom a nice clean look. And guys, these towels are not actually going to be used. They're just going to be decor inside the bathroom. I actually use paper towels for my guests in the bathroom. But I mean, if you wanted to use them, you definitely could. The folded hand towels could definitely be put on the sink to be used by guests. It's totally up to you. But guys, I want to thank you all for watching, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye. So guys, I'm going to show you some small towel decorative folding ideas. So these are mainly going to be washcloths or hand towels. So I think I have 7 or 8 variations here. So you're just basically going to fold this over itself and fold it back. And then that can be easily put into a stack and a ribbon wrapped around it, or you could use it without a ribbon being wrapped around it, and it fits really, really nicely on a shelf in a bathroom. It can also be placed on the sink or on the tub as well, or in a tray. So here it is on a shelf in the bathroom, and it doesn't topple over. It stays in place, and I like the way that looks. So let's go into the next one. So this is a hand towel. You're going to fold it in half, and then you're just going to fold it in thirds right over each other. You can put a ribbon around it again, like I was saying, or not. But if you put a ribbon around it, it prevents them from falling apart and opening back up. And then you can easily display them in a tray. These towels are from Home Goods. And I believe the 2 together was like $6.99. So it looks really nice on this tray in the bathroom. The next one is going to be another washcloth folded in half lengthwise, and just roll it up. And you could just do that with a whole bunch of them and put a ribbon around them, and they will go nicely on a shelf as well. Most of the ones that I'm showing you are going to look really good on a shelf in the bathroom. You can use different colors of ribbon, different colors of washcloths, and make it fun. Here it is right behind that reed diffuser on my shelf. And I can also put these in a tray as well. So there's different ways you can display with this. Okay, with this idea, you're going to fold it in half lengthwise. Then you're going to fold it in half again. Then you're going to pull back one end. Okay, and what this will allow you to do is to tuck something in there. So you can put a piece of soap or anything you want to put in there. Okay, and the next idea, you're going to fold in half through the center. Okay, flip it over and you're going to roll all the way up on each end. Just hold one end while you're rolling the other end towards it. Then you're going to put a rubber band around it. And you can use this to go inside of another towel, or you can wrap a ribbon around it and just put it on a tray or put it on your shelf. And if you have different color washcloths and towels, it looks really, really nice. So this one you're going to fold in half. This is a hand towel. Then you're going to pull it back, flip it over, and fold in thirds. And then you're going to fold the bottom upward. And this stays on the shelf really, really well, especially if you have, this towel is really thick. They can stand up on the shelf just like this. I'll show you in a minute what it looks like. There it is right over there, and they do not fall over. I have one more for you. You're going to fold the washcloth in thirds, and then you're just going to fold it in thirds again. And that's a very neat way of displaying it. You can put it in your linen closet this way. You can display it on the shelf or on your sink. Right here, I have it in a 3-tiered tray. So guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope I helped provide you with some ideas, and I'll see you in the next one.